Once your phone has been connected via Bluetooth, you can stream your media sources through the speakers of your car. You know your phone is connected to the vehicle when you see the Bluetooth symbol here in the top right corner, along with your battery life and signal strength. When you're ready to begin Bluetooth streaming, you're going to need to change your audio source. Select Source and choose Bluetooth. You can also change your source by selecting Media on your dash. Media will rotate you through CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. And finally, you can use the Mode button on the right-hand side of your steering wheel to cycle you through all audio sources. Applications such as Pandora, Spotify, iHeartRadio, and Slacker are free music apps that allow you to stream music through the vehicle. Additionally, there are multiple free podcast apps available, allowing you to stream your favorite podcasts as well. Keep in mind, most of these apps will require the use of mobile data unless you have previously downloaded the content before leaving a Wi-Fi connection. And there you have it. Select media as your audio source and open the type of media you wish to play, and you will begin to stream via Bluetooth.